Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this video, we will apply the principles of two-point perspective drawing from our last video and apply to drawing a house. So let's get started. Alright, we have a blank sheet of paper over here as usual, and let's just go ahead and draw a horizontal line which will be our horizon line. Next, what we need to do is just pick 2 points on this horizon line, preferably at the very extreme of this line. So one is over here and one is over here. This will be our right vanishing point and this will be our left vanishing point. Next, draw the closest edge of our house, which will be vertical. So I'll just draw vertical over here. Next, take the ends of this vertical and connect to our two vanishing points. Make sure you draw these lines as lightly as possible. I'm just making it a bit dark here so that it's easily visible to the camera. Once this is done, we have to fix the length of our house and the breadth of our house. So I'll just draw 2 more vertical lines which will represent the extreme edges of our house in terms of length and breadth. Okay, next take this face over here and find the middle using our diagonal method. Just make this line as light as possible. Okay, and then just extend or draw a line which is going through this vertical, which will be like so. Next, we have to determine how high our house should be. So just let's say our house should be of this tall, and from this point just connect it to our left vanishing point. Okay, and for the roof, take these 2 points and connect to the extreme edge of our roof. Alright, and to draw the other edge of our roof, just take this line which you're seeing over here and draw a parallel line. There won't be any convergence over here. Okay, and just make sure the edge of our roof are roughly along the same line. Perfect. So now our house is beginning to take shape. Let's just extend our roof in the front just by a tiny amount. And I'll just finish off the roof by connecting the roof edges to the vanishing point. Perfect. So once we have the basic structure of our house over here, let us go ahead and add in some tiny amount of details. First, we'll just draw a door over here. To do that, I'll just drop in a vertical. Yeah, like so. And I'll just run a line to the right vanishing point very lightly, and then I'll just finish off the doorway, and this doorway should have some thickness to it. So from this edge over here, this point, align it to the left vanishing point and just draw a tiny bit line, and do the same for here as well. Perfect. You can't see much of the top of this doorway, just by a tiny amount. Okay, perfect. All right, now once we have the doorway, we'll just add a tiny window over here. For that, just drop in a vertical again and run a line to the left vanishing point. And then just close it. Okay. This also has some amount of thickness to it, so I'll just take the top of this line, run the line slightly, okay, from here. All right, add in some thickness. See, this is a mistake. Okay, once we have this, let us draw a small chimney over here. All right, perfect. Once we have everything, like small little details, let us draw a platform or like a foundation for this house so that it is at an elevated angle. So to do that, just make a small vertical line, and just essentially what we are trying to draw is a big rectangle on the ground. All right, so yeah, that's about it. So we have house and small little details and a platform which is in a 2-point perspective. So the thing to remember about 2-point perspective is all your vertical lines will remain vertical, and from that vertical line you have to draw lines to both your vanishing points and then determine how wide or how what should be the length of your house. Just mark that points again with vertical lines. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty simple actually, if you just follow along these tutorials and just practice a lot, that should be fine. Now I'll just go ahead and darken or like apply some shading to this house. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you understood the basic concepts of 2-point perspective. If you like these videos, please click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you have any special requests on what topics that I should cover next, just drop in those requests in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to cover those topics in my upcoming videos. I have my entire bunch of tutorials on how to draw cars lined up, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell to be updated on whenever I post my tutorials. So that's it for this week. I have one more video lined up on how to draw shadows in 2-point perspective, so make sure you check that out as well. All right, until next time, see you then. Bye bye, take care.